Hello my friends, Stark here. Today is the 17th of July 2018. Here's a lovely 2007 and a half, that's right, a mid-year model change, Chevrolet Silverado. Crew cab, short bed. I want to add a toolbox to this truck, but given that she's a short bed, I selected this narrow profile toolbox. The box is designed for a full width pickup truck, but it's not as deep as your typical toolbox. I wanted to leave a decent amount of bed space after fitting the box. Now originally I had intended to secure the box in the traditional manner, drilling and screws. But one of the YouTube channels that I watch, Will Prowse, convinced me to try a different technique. Will's channel concerns motorhome life and minimalism. Will owns a Ford motorhome and he runs solar power. He has multiple solar panels secured to the roof of the motorhome with VHB tape, and those solar panels are not screwed down. Will swears that this tape is super strong. So I thought we would see how the tape fares securing a toolbox. So there'll be no drilling, no screws, no fasteners securing this box. We'll tape this box directly to the plastic bed protectors. Now I've started already by marking around the toolbox so that I know where to cut and lay the VHB tape. This is just duct tape, just to give me a template. Is it tough to cut?
It is.
Maybe my scissors suck. Are those scissors any better?
Mm-hmm.
Nice.
Too long, though.
Yeah, it's way too long. What you're doing, you need to cut it in within the boundaries of the duct tape. Otherwise, we'll see the VHB tape. Cut a little off the back too, or the front, I should say. Alright, good. Alright, so the next strip we want to cut a shorty and then a little longer one. cut back here, it's sharper. Nice. It doesn't matter about that sticking over, we won't see it. Just make sure that the tape isn't on top of the tape. It's got to be, it can't be on top of it. See, that's tape on tape there. Try to put it next to it. Let's get another one. Slowly. So the trickiest part so far has been to remove the non-stick overlayer. And it's really hard to grab that without grabbing the VHB tape itself. Hey. Nice. Making progress. This here is a plastic bed protector, but the VHB tape seems to stick to that. Alright, Marshall may have a technique going here. Let's check it out. Nice. So that's way better than the fingernail technique that I was attempting. Good job, Marshall. Why have you returned to the fingernail technique?
So I can get something to grab.
Cool. Alright, so the next step is to set the toolbox down on the VHB tape. I'm a little bit scared. Straight up and slowly. Okay, now just kind of hover over it before you set it down, so it lines up with the duct tape. How's that looking for you?
Good.
All right, let's put it down. You want to check the left and right for equal gaps, like you did before. Because if we're going to move it, we're going to move it. Jump up in the bed and check. Jump up in the bed and check the left and right. Check this gap here. Is that good? Both sides.
They both fine.
Look good. This gap here. Alright, so the box is in. Marshall, do you want to gently push down on both the left and the right? Alright, so I don't know how long VHB takes to set. Maybe it doesn't take any time at all, but we will return in 10 or 15 minutes and see whether this toolbox is stuck fast or whether it wants to move. Alright, the moment of truth. I'm not going to try and break this toolbox, just going to try and lift it up. I can't move it without tools. I am very satisfied with that. Oh yes, a very neat solution. Try the other side too. This one, there's a little movement, not much. The other side there was no movement whatsoever. I wonder if that's the plastic underneath the box that's flexing. I think it's lifting up the plastic because, as I mentioned earlier, the VHB tape is not directly on the metal bed. It's actually on this plastic bed protector, so I think there's a little movement in the plastic. Anyways, yeah, I'm happy. Especially once a little weight is added to the box with tools and equipment. That box isn't going anywhere. Well, thank you so much for watching, my friends. VHB tape used to attach a truck toolbox. Take care. See you next time.